In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mud on Roblox Studio. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your Roblox Studio project like you normally would. Then please go to the right menu and you want to go over here to where it says Explore and make sure to find Workspace. Once you click on Workspace, you're then going to have the option that says Base Plate. What you could also do alternatively if you're not able to find it is you're able to utilize the search bar and then type in Base Plate. So now we have Base Plate right over here. The next order of business is that you guys want to go ahead and scroll down and you're able to actually change the appearance of it. And basically, we're going to make it look like sand. So first and foremost, let's start off by changing the color. You're able to go ahead and click over here. And then you guys are able to select a color that represents sand. So for example, this one kind of looks like sand, but we are not done just yet. What you also want to do is you want to change the material. So over here where it says material, by default, it is going to be set to plastic. But in fact, Roblox Studio has a bunch of presets that you guys are able to utilize. And if you go ahead and scroll down just a little bit more, you're eventually able to find sand. So here it is. And now check this out. It is then going to change the texture and it's going to look incredibly sandy. And you guys can customize other things as well, such as reflections and stuff like that. And again, there are multiple ways that you guys are able to actually include like sand or like a desert in your project. But this is by far one of the most easiest and intuitive ways to do it. That is incredibly beginner friendly. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.